What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the Vello EXT-MFTE autofocus extension tube set. The brand is Vello for Panasonic and Olympus micro four third lenses. So you can see in the back, lightweight design, full autofocus compatibility, reduces minimum focusing distance of lens. Tube may be combined for greater magnification. Set includes 10mm and 16mm tubes. Okay, let's open this box. I bought this so I can take micro pictures. It comes with the instructions, so you can see. It tells you how to use it. There you go. Is light. We have here the sensors for your camera. As you can see, this one is the 10mm Vello autofocus extension tube for micro four thirds. Get a close up right here. You can see quality is okay, it's very light, it's pretty good. Okay, let's see the other one. This one is a little bit thicker. This is the 16mm. So you can see it's the connector. It connects to your camera with this. Right here in the back too, compared to the other one. So you can see the thickness. One is 10mm, the other one is 16mm. You see, compared to this quarter, size. So you can see, very nice. There you have it, guys, the extension tube set. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you later.